Hey beauties, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to click that red subscribe button down there. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm doing a mini braid tutorial with grease. Yes, with grease. This product has never left my hair care regimen. I've never applied it on my hair, but I do apply it on my scalp. So yeah, there's a first time for everything. I'm excited how this mini braid tutorial will turn out. I'm expecting a lot of greasiness, a lot of stickiness, and yeah. If I seem a little bit tired or my eyes seem red, I did this video at 1 o'clock in the morning, and this video has a chill vibe to it, so you can watch this video while you do your own mini braids. So yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, here's the final results of my mini braids. Do you see the shine on my hair? My hair didn't feel sticky at all because I didn't apply too much product, and my hair was so soft, and I love how it turned out. I've added some accessories on my hair, but not too much. I don't want my hair to look like a Christmas tree. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do that down below. Give this video a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Deuces!